Hello friends and followers. So I'm on the MacBook computer here on a terminal window, as you can see. And you might think, what's he doing? What's this line? Well, this is RTL-433. It's a program that allows the dongle I have plugged in, which is a RTL-SDR receiver that you can buy on Amazon for 30 bucks or so, to scan the airwaves for digital pulses from the wheel sensors of a Toyota. So there's a Prius down in the garage, and the check tires air light is illuminated, and I thought, well, sometimes the sensors have gone bad. Anyway, run the program and it will go, and if we have any wheels reporting, they'll show up. So there you go, look at that. So there's the ID of the sensor right there. So if it's the same ID, it's the same wheel. I'm not sure why that one broadcasted twice, but did it? Let's see. Yeah, it did. Anyway, there's 208 kPAs in there. That's about, I think it's about 30 pounds of air. It's not great. Okay, look at that. Here's a different wheel. So it looks like, so first you want to see that there's 4 wheels reporting in. You want to make sure that all 4 of your sensors, by reading these IDs here, are reporting in. And if they are, then you want to see if the kPa or the pressure matches somewhat. If one of them's real low, then you probably have a nail or a spike or a leak in that tire. So in my case, they're all pretty consistent, and I think the light came on just because it's sort of around 30 pounds or so. So if you do a lookup on kPa of 205, I think it's about 29 pounds, and that's too low, so that'll trip the low air light, low pressure light on the Toyota Prius. This is a 2013 Prius. So anyway, I replaced all these sensors in Las Vegas, I think about a year ago, 2 years ago, probably about a year ago, because they were all kind of fouled up. And so when I saw the low air light on, I was a little concerned, but it looks like it's all behaving here. So that's it. And what's about 213 kPa is the lowest we have. I guess I could take a look at this here. 213 kPa, 2 pounds, or 208. Okay, let's look at that. That is roughly 30 pounds. So the Toyota is going to want 33. So that's probably the problem with it. Anyway, so much for the demo. How do we find this program here? The program that I'm running here, let's stop this thing. What's it called again? RTL 433. Download. RTL 433. I'll leave some links around if I can find it. Oh, there it is. Look at that. So there's the RTL 433 right there. It's right there. Oh, nice. And I guess you got to build it from scratch, which isn't so nice. Maybe there's a Brew install for it. I don't know. On a Mac, yeah, it looks like there's a Brew on it right there. Maybe that'll go in. Here's some guy working on it. What does this say? Oh yeah, there you go. So put that command in there. It'll probably install it. All right, that's my video. Enjoy. If you got a Toyota and it's acting up with the check air pressure light, you might want to run this program. There it goes again. So yeah, the car has been in the garage because the pressure of the temperature is all pretty much down there at 30 Celsius, which is about, what, 80 degrees or something. In the garage it's probably hotter than that. At any rate, that's my video. I'm waiting for a few more wheels to come on here. Come on. I'm not sure. It must go like every minute or something. It's not that rapid, but there we go. Okay. And can I assure that all four are working? There's 26B, 26B. Okay, there's 12C, 12C. Okay, there's the third wheel. Yeah, I think all four sensors are working. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Have fun. Get yourself an RTL-SDR and download the program. Have a nice day.